We got the sublimation paper that we sell on the website. Press it on the coffee mug. You can use it on the coffee mug too. So we got it right here. I'm gonna cut it down in size. Be sure to pick it up on ERCPRINTING and supplies.com. Gonna line it up. Put the heat tape on there. All right. All right. We're gonna do 400 degrees on this. You can also pick the mugs up on the website as well. Alright, we're gonna go. Be sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe to the website. All the links will be down below. We're gonna let this go and we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. You probably want to let this cool down. Before you remove it, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do it. All the ink came off. You want to be careful with this part. All the ink came off. Just like that. You can't use the paper for shirts, coffee mugs, and whatever else. All the ink came off. Let me set that down. Set that right there. There we go. Be sure to like and subscribe. You might want to wear some gloves or something with this, but it is hot. But it came off, turned out good. See y'all next time. Thank y'all for watching.